Nature is full of wonders, but some of them are so mind blowing they almost sound made up. Did you know there's a plant that eats metal or a lake that turns animals into stone? Welcome to Brainy Bits, where today we will uncover incredible nature facts that are so strange you will be left speechless. Let's dive into the most fascinating, bizarre, and little known marvels of our natural world. The first one, there are more trees than stars. Believe it or not, Earth has more trees than stars in the Milky Way. NASA estimates 100 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy, but Earth, it boasts over 3 trillion trees. That's about 422 trees for every person on the planet. The second one, a lake that turns animals into stone. In Lake Natron in Tanzania, the water is so salty and alkaline that animals who die in it become calcified, almost like statues. It's one of the most extreme environments on Earth, a place where nature becomes art. The third one, forests that communicate. Yes, trees talk to each other. Forests are connected by underground fungal networks called mycorrhizal networks, sometimes called the wood wide web. Trees share nutrients, warn each other about pests, and even support weaker trees. The fourth one, the rock that grows. In Romania, mysterious rocks called provence seem to grow, move, and multiply after it. Scientists believe mineral rich water causes this odd growth, but their behavior is still a mystery. The fifth one, fire rainbows and moonbows. Nature's light shows don't stop at rainbows. Fire rainbows appear when sunlight hits ice crystals in high altitude clouds, creating dazzling arcs of fire. And under the right conditions, moonbows, rainbows lit by moonlight, can appear at night. The sixth one, a plant that eats metal. The Rhinorrhea nicolifera, found in the Philippines, absorbs nickel from the soil up to 18,000 ppm. It's a real metal-eating plant and could one day help clean toxic land plant in a process called phytoremediation. The seventh one, the immortal jellyfish. Meet Turritopsis doni, the jellyfish that can live forever, sort of. It reverts to its younger state instead of dying, essentially resetting its life cycle, making it biologically immortal. The eighth one, it snows fish in Honduras. Each year in Europe, Honduras, it literally rains fish, known as Lluvia de peces. Locals believe it's a miracle, but scientists think underground water spouts may pull fish from rivers and drop them during storms. The ninth one, lightning in volcanoes. When volcanoes erupt, they sometimes produce volcanic lightning, a surreal phenomenon caused by static electricity in the ash clouds. It looks like a storm from another world. The tenth one, butterflies can taste with their feet. Butterflies don't just flutter beautifully, they taste with their feet. Their feet have taste sensors that help them decide where to lay eggs based on the taste of the leaves. Your brain on nature. Being in nature doesn't just feel good, it rewires your brain. Studies show that walking in forests reduces stress, improves memory, and even boosts creativity. Nature is not just beautiful, it's healing. From metal eating plants to immortal jellyfish, nature never runs out of surprises. Which of these left you speechless? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brainy Bits for more jaw dropping facts every week. Until next time, stay curious, stay amazed,